Our score, wala po tayo ang score. 51-28, Davao ang LHA. We have number Rojo.
Fourth quarter na, naman to.
Okay. Number 3. Okay, number 26 to number 5. Number 5 is holding the ball at mamadaling for 2. Iyatan niya na number 2. Number 2, palak by 2 persons. Nakuha ni number 2 again. Nakuha ni Suarez. Suarez, nagmamadaling si Suarez for 2. Foul, number 2. Kumitan. Second, personal fouls. First team foul. Wala na Abby. Wearing jersey number 22, Suarez in the critical line from NHA. It's 1-1. Score 46-28, Davao ang NHA. Our time, later will do. We have 26. So number 5, it's 3 points to left. 3 points. Number 3. Rebound by number 16, Rojo. Yatag ang Suarez, ni Plastan, pero nisulod siya for 2. It's a 2 point. 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Okay, number 5, Abasalo. Challenge by Rojo. Yung ating yatag number 2, it's a 2 points. Kalimutan. 33-58. No good. Nakuha ni Jupiter. Pas pa kayo number 22 to 45. 45 ng mamadagatan ng Rojo. Tagira ng 3. Wala na rin ni number 2. Number 2 steal by Rojo and Manalo. Itirang 2. Jupiter committed. Second is na foul. Second team foul ang Kalimutan. Time, last 5 minutes. Requesting all the officers na mag-meeting after sa dula sa hapon. There will be an urgent meeting for us. Okay, we have number 26. Nakuha ni nakaitong yatag number 5. Hapit, nakuha ni number 2. Number 2 steal by Suarez. Yatag niya kang Rojo. Oh, number 2. Reserve sample ka. It's a 3-point ball. Diba? Salag na. Sige na. Oh, Suarez. Challenge by number 5. Good. Nakuha ni number 2. So number 26 to steal by Suarez. Number 2. Number 2 reserve substitution niya pa. Substitution. Last 3 minutes and 42 seconds.
Pasalad nyo na ako ba?
Three minutes and 29 seconds for the last quarter. We have Suarez to. Okay, it's a lost ball. Last 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Our score 63-36. Davao ang NHA. 26 to number 5. Pasalo to 26 tumira ng 3. It's 3 points. At 55 seconds high score. 67-39. We have 26 to Numaitong tumira ng 3. We have number 3 to number 16 Roro to number 2 69-39 Davao ang NHA. We have 26 tumira ng 3. Grabe na ba? 2 minutes and 23 seconds. We have Suarez challenged by number 5. 15 seconds to shoot. Ilan to? 3 points. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Dula lagi. Technical na ka diya. Wala time out.
Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. 26. No good. Nakuha ni number 7. Okay, we have number 5 again. It's a 2 points. Time out ang NHA. Okay, Suarez. It's a long ball. Just 1 minute 22 seconds. Siya na yung short break ako. Kanang kano ito. Kanang ko siya short break. Number 1 to Suarez. Suarez challenge by number 22. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha na number 0. Last 50 seconds. Number 26. Saan to rep? Foul. Ay, counted to rep? Travel violation. Dito, counted na. Dito siya counted. 40 seconds. 35. 15 seconds shoot. 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. 74-44. Labaw ang NHA. 25.
Baba dyan.
20.
Ganda likod. Boring kayo, boring.
Last 15 seconds.
10 seconds na.
We go on to the short number 8.
Lahat na po.
10.
Kana dayo. Hindi ka na natin yung shirt. May mas.
Last 6 seconds.
Ay, nagilugain na.
Susoy, grabe.
Nahulog.
5.